Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss installing your stem the proper way, as well as few issues you might face while doing that and what could they be. Your stem makes the connection between your handlebar and the fork, and for it to work efficiently, everything in between the stem and the fork needs to be snug. By everything, I mean the lower bearing and the fork interface, the top bearing and the washers, they all need to be snug. And for that to happen, your top cap comes into the picture. And the way the top cap removes the slack is by using the star nut. This bolt, as it drives in, starts to push everything down and takes away any slack. So this is going to be the first step as you adjust or install your stem. By now you must have guessed the role of the top washers, which is if your stem is under the top line of the stereo tube, then you need these washers such that the top cap doesn't bottom out on the stereo tube. If there are no washers, then your top cap would bottom out on the top of the stereo tube, so it won't be able to push down. Let's look at a scenario where you do not need spacers under your top cap. So if your stem is above, you can see that your stem is clearly above the stereo tube. This is the top of the stereo tube and this is the top of your stem, about 5 mm there. So your top cap now just rests on top of the stem, and as you tighten the bolt, it will just remove any slack. Now it also raises a safety question. How much higher can you keep pushing the stem? The rule of thumb is never let your pinch bolts leave the top of the stereo tube. In this case, the pinch bolt is down here and the stereo tube up here. So there is still enough gap between the pinch bolt and the top of your stereo tube. So this is fine. What is not fine is what I'm going to show you in just a bit. Now what is not safe is a scenario like this. You can see your pinch bolt is really above your stereo tube top. That means this bolt won't be able to provide enough clamping force. Anytime your stem is clearing the top of the stereo tube, make sure this pinch bolt always stays below this top of the stereo tube. Now let's look at the proper way in installing the stem. The first step obviously is to install the top cap. In my case, I do need spacers up top. And you do not need to tighten this really hard. All you're doing is removing the slack, so you don't need to go monkey. You just need to finger tighten it enough. A good rule of thumb is if you are unable to rotate the headset spacers underneath, then you're good to go. Once this is done, let's align the handlebar and then tighten these two pinch bolts. Now when aligning your handlebar, it's easier to do it from the front and use the two legs of the forks. So you just want to make sure that those two come in and out of the side at about the same place from the handlebar, and that's a good indication that it's pretty straight. Now with the top cap tightened and the handlebars aligned, we can start to tighten these two pinch bolts. I usually alternate between them. What do I mean? Once this is snug, I come back up top, do the same. And once that is snug, come back down and do the same. What this does is I'm not creating any pinch points, but rather giving equal clamping force. Now my stem calls for 5 Newton meters. I can ballpark 5 Newton meters, so that's what I'm doing right now. But otherwise we can always use a torque wrench and tighten it to the right specification. Once you tighten these two, you're pretty much good to go. Now there are two scenarios I do want to mention. If you notice a wobble on the headset, it's most likely that you didn't tighten the top clamp first. So try to rotate your spacers underneath. If they rotate, it's usually the culprit that you didn't tighten the top first, but rather tighten these two bolts. And another one is you didn't put enough spacers underneath. Even that can cause wobble because your top cap is bottoming out on the stereo tube. So in those two cases, you'll notice headset wobble. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again.